Here's part two. We're going and taking a look in here, and wow, look at this. This is just beautiful. So we're gonna see in here, here's the bathroom. The bathroom is phenomenal. It's beautiful. Look at that gorgeous countertops. Just really, really nice. It's quartz. This is a really pretty shower. The shower is gorgeous. And then look at this. This is so big. It's so big. Wow. Wow. And I love the alpha shelving. Alpha, baby. Whew. Love it. We're going to walk through here, and then we're going to see the bedroom. The bedroom is just so cute. Love the bedroom here. It's phenomenal. And then you've got that cute little window that's back there. Isn't that nice? How fun is that? So cute. This is a gorgeous apartment. I'm telling you, beautiful apartment. And by the way, look, nice. See that thermostat? Beautiful. This is it. So you're seeing that beautiful apartment here. Once again, if you like what you see, send me a text at the number below. Can't wait to help you and find your perfect place here in the Uptown area. It's 100% free service. Just beautiful. Gorgeous.